Hey guys, welcome to codingbootcamps.com. Be sure to follow us on social media on platforms such as Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Today, we're going to be talking about one of our courses, which is Introduction to Linux System Administration. I'll be the instructor for the course. I'm a Red Hat certified system administrator, and at my current job, I'm in charge of administering hundreds of servers running on different Linux distributions. I work as a Unix system administrator supporting several large enterprise-level clients with IBM across multiple different environments. As an RHCSA, I'm adept at Linux programming for both managing personal and service Linux systems. I'm also pursuing my Red Hat certified system engineer as well as DevOps. So let's talk about this course a little bit. So the prerequisite for this class is you need to do Introduction to Linux OS. If you haven't taken that course yet, be sure to follow this link and take that course before you do this one. Without that class, you're going to be playing a lot of catch-up to try and learn some of these commands and some of the concepts we're talking about. So make sure you do this class first, okay? Some of the topics that are going to be covered in this course, and this is just a high-level list of topics covered in the class, is System Administration Overview, Installation and Configuration, Booting and Shutting Down Linux, Managing Software and Devices, Managing Users and Groups, the Linux file system, Linux file security, and controlling processes. There's going to be homework with 3 parts of it for managing users, groups, permissions, access, control lists, and more. So you get a little hands-on learning there along with the actual lectures that you can follow at your own pace. So the takeaway you're going to be taking from this class is a high level of review of how you can actually be a sysadmin, okay? So with these skills, you can actually take on jobs such as a developer, consultant, and even a sysadmin role with the knowledge that you gain from these courses, okay? Some follow-up classes you can take after this course is going to be learning PHP programming, Intro to Linux Bash scripting, which will be another course that I'll be teaching, how to manage Red Hat or CentOS Linux servers, intermediate level, okay, so that'll be the intermediate version. I'll also be teaching that course, and then Intro to HTML and CSS, okay? So be sure, go to codingbootcamps.com, check out all the courses, make sure you take this course, and then follow up with some of those other courses that we listed there, okay? Thank you so much, guys, and I hope to see you on this first session of the course.